Today we'll be assembling the 643. First, fit the rear frame onto the back of the main body. Locate the arrow above the hexagonal hole on the rear frame and ensure it's pointing up. Insert the M6 nylock nut into the hexagonal hole. Feed the M6 by 54 bolt through the holes in the frame. Make sure the holes on the rear and the main frames are aligned. While holding the nut in place, tighten the bolt using a Phillips head screwdriver. Next, slide the front wheel assembly through the opening at the front of the main frame. The stem will extend to the top of the frame. Slide the head into place on top of the stem of the front wheel. Fit an M6 nylock nut into the hexagonal hole on the left side of the head. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, secure the head into the frame by tightening the M6 by 54 bolt into the M6 nylock nut. Slide the rear axle through the rear frame, centering the axle so it protrudes equally on both sides. Using one hand on each wheel, apply force until you hear the wheels audibly snap into place. This will require some force. Snap the red wheel covers in place on each rear wheel. You will hear an audible snap when they are secure in place. Be sure to align the two tabs on the back of the cover with the two slots in the rear wheel. Note you may need to rotate the cap slightly to get the covers fully snapped into place. Remove the package around the connectors on the sides of the head. These can be recycled. Identify the left and right hand grips. Note that the right hand grip will have a button for lights and sounds. Starting with the right hand grip, connect the wire from the hand grip to the wire coming out of the head. Next, fit the grip into place in the head. Repeat with the left hand grip. Use a screwdriver to secure both hand grips to the head with an M5 by 24 bolt. Slide the seat post into the hole towards the back of the main frame. Use the adjustment knob to secure the seat in the desired position. Ensure the knob is fully tightened into one of the 3 indentations before using the product. The seat is adjustable. To use the product with lights and sounds, slide the power switch located on the back of the neck to the right. Press the button on the right hand grip to activate lights and sounds. To replace the batteries, use a screwdriver to remove the single screw securing the battery door just above the power switch. Swap 3 AAA batteries and replace the door.